Wow, galing ah. Sarap yan ang sausawan.
Hala, may pila tayo. May pila tayo. Lalagay ko sa YouTube at Facebook. Kasi. Now the cloth is ready put with ketchup or blood. Galing mo magsalita.
Or blood.
And we need water.
We need a blood.
Water! Water!
Water, what?
Here's the water.
Wala na, basta ajobit yan.
Ay, maglalaka. Kasi! Kasi itong mochi niya to. Ikaw, sasapakan ng cute nito.
Okay. What are you going to do?
Put water.
Okay, put water. Biglang natumba.
Uy! Done. Okay.
Okay, what are you going to do with that? No, what are you going to do?
Marunong ka mag-wash.
Bakit siring-siring kayo?
Oo nga,
What are you going to do?
Sa Pilipinas, gawa-gawa ko yun.
Diba you are going to wash it until the ketchup or the what do you call it? Blood will be removed from the cloth.
Dapat nilagyan niyo pa ng konting tubig.
Okay, then what are you going to do? Change the water. You did not study your... Okay, throw the water outside and change it. Hey! Ay, ang baho.
Yeah! Tap mo yung tubig.
It is very easy to remove it because the ketchup is still fresh on the shirt.
Excuse, Janelle. Magvi-video.
Uy, ito yung group place.
Oh, magvi-video ako.
Sige pa, huwag ka matakot. Si Jerry na, tatakot.
Hindi mo takot eh.
Hindi, naglalamoy ay.
Okay lang video ko. Kaya nga alam mo ko, dito sa doon sa bar.
Wala, hindi mo makikita yan, Jubet.
Maganda yung lahat nyo. Kasi itong Junel na to eh.
Uy, mas maganda lahat nyo.
Ba't kasi kayo na yan?
Arte. Uy, lahat nyo na.
Naiilan ko yan. Kasi si Jessica eh.
Madami. Kasabay yung kamay mo kasi. Yan, Nicole, one more hand. Oh.
Sinumayo kayo. Sumayo kayo?
Ganyan, tingin ka dito.
Dapat ganyan.
Oh. You are going to wash it until the ketchup from the clothes remove. Okay, so after you wash it, what are you going to do?
Makabisya rin sa'yo.
After you soak it,
Ang saya.
after you soak it, what is the next
Ang
step?
saya maglaba.
Wash and rinse thoroughly. Okay. Let's say you already rinsed it thoroughly.
dyan naghuhugas?
Okay, throw the water outside.
Jasmine, tingin.
Next group.
Huwag mo na kasi.